How do you see your knowledge graph, and how do you act upon the information that you've got? On your dashboard, the second tab is the Graph tab. And this represents your knowledge graph in two different formats. One in text format and the second in graphical format. It's ordered by how many times each concept is talked about within your website. So in this particular site, InLinks.net, currently we've been talking about backlinks 24 times, and in actual fact, if we were to associate a page with backlink, the concept of backlink, there is a potential of 25 links that could be built into that landing page. So we could press associate and create a page from here by selecting one of the pages that we think is already about backlinks. Or alternatively, you could create a brief, or you could select a URL that's not in the list. Where we have already associated pages, for example, search engine optimization, we're showing you that we've mentioned it 22 times. There was a potential of 40 links that could have been created. In actual fact, the system has created 31 links, and it is already associated to a specific page, and it's this InLinks Semantic SEO Software homepage. We can have a look at the details of any topic here as well. So if I wanted to find out more about concept of web content, then it will pull information in from Wikipedia. It will also show you some of the related questions that people are asking that you might want to answer in your content to try and make your website into an answer engine. Below the questions, it shows topics based around different areas, for example, technology topics or other related topics. And so you can use this to help you understand what kind of content you might be creating. Notice as well that we've also brought in the search volume based around each content topic. So the idea may be that you are interested in writing about Google search because you haven't got any content here, and 1.2 million people are talking about Google search every month. The other way that you can look at the knowledge graph is graphically. And this graphical representation is often a much more interesting way to look at the data. Here you'll see that the green dots are ones that we've already associated pages for. So we have an associated page with a knowledge graph. And again, we can pull in the topic details in the same way, or alternatively, we can associate a page. It already says that we have a page associated. We could deselect that and choose another one if we wanted to. The blue circles are ones where we've not yet connected a particular topic page to the topic, and so an entity is sitting there that we have been talking about. And again, we can bring in the ideas, or we can associate a page directly from the graphical graph. If we haven't got a page that's appropriate, we can create a brief, or we can select a URL that's not listed. The square boxes represent organizations, and then there are some other layouts as well. For example, Europe is a geographical diamond shape here as well. So the knowledge graph now can be used not just to show off that we can build a knowledge graph of your website, but also practically can be used to develop your content and to optimize your content for your customers. I hope it's useful.